Automation Forecast. Executives drive for digital transformation using Cloud RPA. Find out how you compare with top performers in the latest Now and Next report. Gain insights on the trends, best practices, and recommendations to capitalize on this rapidly growing technology. Top performers in the survey are realizing 380% ROI from their RPA programs, and an average of 250% ROI for the rest of the respondents. There's a 72% decrease in on-prem deployments over the next 12 months. Both AI and machine learning are top priorities for RPA programs. And in fact, an impressive 81% are increasing their investments in RPA. Make sure to get your report today.